Hey guys, welcome back to These Two Girls Short with your host Candy. I will be showing you some things to do if you ever visit Dallas, Texas. So I went to Dallas, Texas the other day with my friends. It was her birthday, and she got a bunch of us together and we went to Dallas, Texas, and it was a really fun trip. So let's check it out. First off, the Airbnb, y'all. The Airbnb. Here's some clips of the inside of the Airbnb that she selected. Now, Airbnbs can be a hit or miss sometimes because, sometimes they're dirty, sometimes they don't look like the pictures. But this one, I would definitely go again. So here it is. I'm going to include the link to the Airbnb that we stayed at. So if you're in Dallas, Texas, and you want to stay somewhere, check out this place. Really nice, really spacious, lots of room, was 3 floors. Listen, bring the whole family, okay? Bring the whole crew. It's big enough to fit everybody, okay? So that's the Airbnb. Now, let me tell you about some of the things that we did, okay? Now, I know you went to hear about our favorite part, which is the food, because we all want to know where to eat, but I'll get to that soon, okay? But let me tell you about some of the things that we did. So we checked out this place called Mix Blend Bar. Now, it's this cute little place where you can go and make your own lipstick or lip gloss. Really fancy. You get inside, they give you a glass of champagne, music is playing, you can take pictures, you're laughing, chilling. Really nice place to bring the girls and hang out. I made this chocolate shade and I called it Sexy in Dallas. Okay, so yeah, so if you're ever in town and you want to make your own lipstick or lip gloss, check it out. Mix Blend Bar. Another thing that we did, shout out to Audrey for putting us on game, is aerial fitness. Aerial fitness, y'all. Now, what me look like twist up and turn up doing aerial fitness? But I judged. I judged in the beginning, but it was really cool. Really cool. Found myself in some positions that I didn't even know that I could do or could be in, but I enjoyed it. It was something new, right? It wasn't even on my bucket list, but it ended up on my bucket list and then got crossed off the bucket list. So aerial fitness. So here are a couple things that we did. I'm going to include the name of the place and where you can go. Check it out if you're ever in town. Aerial fitness. Add that to your list, guys. Okay? Try it. I know I was stretched all the way out and I was sore afterwards, but it was worth it because it was something that I never would have signed up for. Never. Okay. So anyways, moving right along. Let's get into the food. Okay. So one of the first places that we went, Miriam Restaurant. Really nice fancy place. I think it was downtown. Miriam is the name of the owner, and she was there. She was the host. She greeted us at the door, and she was even nice enough to take some pictures with us at the end. I believe they're known for their drinks, and we enjoyed the drinks. So it was really nice to start out our trip because as soon as we came off the plane, that was where we went, to Miriam's. Okay, so check that out. Another place we went, Village Burger Bar. No, a lot of us didn't eat there, but here's a suggestion. It's really, really close to Mix Blend Bar. So if you're hungry or you're trying to do a group thing, I recommend that you go to Village Burger Bar and then you just walk across the road and boom, you're at Mix Blend Bar, or vice versa. But you can make it happen, but try it out. Kitchen and Cocktails. Boom. Listen, y'all. Kitchen and Cocktails was a whole vibe. I don't know if it's because we're feeling ourselves, because, you know, we black and, you know, we looked really cute. You know, we was dressed to the T, you know what I'm saying? But Kitchen and Cocktails, it was really nice. The DJ, I like brunch music, okay? I like when we go for brunch and there's a DJ playing music. I'm into that whole vibe. But the DJ was really good. The atmosphere was really good. I recommend that you try the fried pickles. Fried pickles. That was my first time having fried pickles. And the deviled eggs. And I'm not even a fan of deviled eggs like that, but try those two. They were really good. Last but not least, XOXO. No, disclaimer, we didn't eat any food there, okay? We didn't get to eat any food there because stuff kind of changed. But why I'm telling you about XOXO is because pictures. If you are into pictures, you know, new pictures for your profile picture, new pictures for your TikTok, new pictures for your Instagram, I'm telling you, XOXO is a place to get your pictures in. It is so beautiful. From the door, walk all the way in, y'all. This place is popping. Okay, so add it to your list. I didn't get to eat there, but I do plan on going back because I do want to see what the food is about. But I did get to take lots of pictures there. So as you can see, these are some of the photo op areas. Really cute. Check it out. Anyways, y'all, that's it. My little weekend in Dallas, Texas, in, out, and I got to do all of those things. So, you know, I'll link everything in the description box. Check it out with your friends. Plan a trip, weekend trip. But anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check us out on Instagram at These2Gurls. Check us out on TikTok at These2Girls954. Yeah, man, don't leave this video without subscribing, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.